Spring break is coming. Everybody gets excited about those words when spoken. Larimer County spring break starts Monday, the 12th, and you're off for an entire week, so have fun. Westminster, Boulder, and Brighton's spring break starts on Monday, the 26th, so you still have 2 weeks to go before you have a week off where you can have fun. So, as a result of that, we've got a little bit of a quandary because we have a week where some of our students are gone. We have a week when we're both here, and then we have a week when some of our students are gone. So, in front of you, you have the schedule, and on that schedule, it gives you some specific dates. So notice we have week 9 and we have week 10. So if I bring in my cursor, right here we have week 10, 9. Right here we have week 10. Notice that week 9 runs for 2 weeks. Week 10 runs for 2 weeks. However, one of those weeks overlaps. So let me explain how spring break is going to work for us this semester. So starting Monday, the 12th, we start a 2-week period, a 2-week class. So you can start class and start doing your work and do whatever you want starting the 12th. If you're on spring break, you don't have to do anything until the 19th. Okay, the first discussion post is due by 11:59 p.m. on March 21st. So it's nothing changes other than we have 12 days for discussion as opposed to 5 days for discussion. So we have an extra week. So you can do whatever you want. You can post whenever you choose, but you must post by Wednesday night, the 21st at 11:59 p.m. You still must post 4 posts, and you still must post at least 3 times. Okay? So that's how the discussion for the first week 9, for the first 2 weeks goes. Notice that on week 9, there is no reading journal because there's no reading assignment. There's just one discussion thread that I posted. There's no You Be the Prof, only one discussion. So week 9, this 2-week period is a little bit easy, other than you do have a short writing assignment that's due on the 25th by 11:59 p.m. So on Sunday night of that second week. Week 10 begins on the 19th of March. And once again, you have 2 weeks to complete all the requirements for week 10. So week 10, if you'll notice, all of those are due. The first post isn't due until the 28th of March, and the reading journal isn't due till the 28th of March, and the quiz isn't due till the 1st of April. So you see that you have 2 weeks to complete all the requirements for week 10. So if you're on spring break at Westminster, Boulder, or Brighton, and you're not going to be on campus, or you're going to, Florida or Mexico, but just be careful, the one place that they're banning travel. You'll want to make sure that you get all your work done the week of the 19th through the 26th, okay, or the 25th. So you can post anytime in that 12-day period for your postings. You can submit your journal anytime you want, as long as I get it by the 28th. And you can take the quiz anytime you want, as long as it's done by the 1st of April. So basically, you have 3 weeks to complete all of the stuff on here with a few due dates that are required. So for week 9, you must post by the 21st of March, and you must submit your writing assignment by the 25th. Okay? For week 10, everything has to be done by that last week. Your initial post by the 28th, your journal on the 28th, and your quiz on the 1st. However, and whenever you want to do your work in that 3-week time frame, you can, as long as you stick with the required times of due. I hope you understand that. This is not the easiest thing to explain. Let me be clear, but it's a way that it works. Larimer works with Colorado State University. The other campuses work with CU. And CU and Colorado State take their spring breaks at different times. So as a result, it can be a bit confusing. I think if you just sit down and just look at the schedule, you'll find that it's a little bit clearer. In the syllabus, the schedule that's listed, I believe, has a typo, and it says that week nine's first discussion post is due by the 14th, I believe. If that is true, it should be the 21st. So please keep that in mind. I've checked the schedule and it's correct. So I think we should be good to go. If you have questions, please email me. Please feel free to contact me. You can text me. Um, you can call me on my cell phone. That's the number that's in the syllabus. So if you need to get in touch with me or you're just not sure exactly what I just said, I'm sure exactly what I just said. But anyway, you get the point. I think if you look at it carefully, you probably will be able to figure out what needs to be done. And all I'm going to say is I hope everybody has a great spring break whenever you take it. And I also want to say thank you for the semester. Everybody's been extremely cooperative and extremely effective and active in the discussions. We've had some great discussions. Sometimes I get in discussions because I need to keep them moving, and sometimes I look at it and go, wow, this discussion is moving really well, and so I may not get as involved, but I try to stay somewhat involved. So you guys are doing a great job. It's one of my better classes that I've had online. Um, and online classes are successful because of two things. The first thing is because teachers make it happen, and the second thing is because students do what they're supposed to, and students make it happen. And in this class, you guys have made it happen. So I give the kudos to you. You've done more work than I have, other than I need get a lot of grading done. So spring break, I need 3 weeks for spring break, but I'm going to be out of pocket the last week of March. I will say that up front. So that week you can still get a hold of me, and I will be checking things, but I will not be on the computer probably hardly at all on the week of the 25th or 26th through the 1st. So please keep that in mind. But once again, if you do have questions, I will be checking email. I will be checking texts and voicemails. So please feel free to contact me if you need. Otherwise, enjoy the spring break. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. And together, I think we can make the next 3 weeks a success. Have a great day.